Ano basa dito?
March, May, July, August, October, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Good job. Anong basa dito?
June,
Eto.
November,
Eto.
October,
Anong basa dito?
April,
And how about this one?
December,
And this one?
July,
This one?
September,
And this one? Mark.
March,
Anong basa dito?
Wednesday,
And this one?
Saturday, Monday, Tuesday,
Anong basa dito?
Sunday,
And this one?
Friday,
Anong basa dito?
June,
And this one?
September,
Anong basa dito, Mark?
February,
This one?
January,
And this one?
July,
This one?
ano number?
Anong number nito? Anong number?
11,
11. Anong number nito?
5,
Anong number nito?
7,
7. Anong number to?
2,
2. Anong number nito? Anong number?
9,
9? Anong number to? October. Anong number ng October?
10,
10. Anong number na... Anong basa dito?
Sunday,
Mark, anong number nito?
2,
Anong number ng August?